In this video, we're gonna see what is slicing strings in Python. You can return a range of character by using the slice syntax. You have to specify start index and end index separated by a colon to return a part of a string. Like here, I have given the starting index as 2 and end index as 5. In this example, we're gonna get a character from position 2 to position 5 but does not including the position 5. I'll tell you how it works. So I do have another example. I have assigned the Python programming to the variable a and I asked the Python to print a range of index starting from 2 to up to index position 9 in the variable a. I'm running my program. You can see it gives me an output which is starting from the index position 2 and goes all the way up to 9 but does not include the ending index. This way the Python is getting programmed, so it will definitely start from the starting index which I have given and goes all the way up to ending index but will not include the ending index. And you can also remove the starting index by having a syntax like this. You have to open a square bracket, need to use a colon and the ending index. So here I have left out the starting index. You can see the output. It starts from the beginning of a string and goes all the way up to the index position 9 but does not include what's in the 9th position. You can also remove the ending index and ask it to print. So you can see the output. It starts from the index position 2 and now goes all the way up to end of the string. So in this example you can see I haven't given the starting index and it gives me an output from the beginning of the string and goes all the way up to the ending index 0, not 0 until the comma, and it ignores the ending index. In this example I have removed the end index, so it prints from the index position 2 and goes all the way up to the last index. So we do also have negative indexing, which is simple. In this string we have an index position of 0 to 17. In the 17th position, the last character of a string also holds a index of -1. So let me ask what is in the position -1. You can see it shows G, and I'm gonna ask what's in the position of -9. It have given me O. So it works like -1, -2, -3, likewise it goes on. So in the -9th position we have 0, and we can also use negative indexing to slice. So I'm gonna ask to print what's in the range of -9 to -2. You can see in the -9th position we do have 0. It starts from 0 and goes all the way up to -2 but does not include -2. And there is one more. We can't slice a string in a backward manner. So let us see what happens if we use the larger number first. I have assigned the starting index as 9 and ask it to slice up to the index position 2, but it haven't given me any output or either throw me an error. With this you can understand you cannot slice a string in a backward. And one more thing, it won't throw you an error, it will simply won't show any output. So that's it for today. Keep watching, keep learning, have a great day.